Hi, Aries. Let's get into your reading. You got some interesting cards here. Some of you might need to get back aligned to, like, with your chakras. Overall message is the solar plex, throat chakra, and heart chakra. Some of you might feel like speaking your heart out to someone, telling them some type of truth here, perhaps. I also feel that you feel like there's a lot of changes coming in when it comes to maybe how you feel. Could even be your foundation, but your foundation is yourself. So some of you might feel a little bit different than you once felt about someone. For some of you, you have revealed love, darkest fear. Okay, I'm getting this two ways. For some of you, you don't want to go back in the past with a past person because you know that you're just going to have to keep rebuilding and rebuilding, restarting. For some of you, you do want to start over with someone from your past, which is at 6, and rebuild. You might be working on your income right here with this base chakra, trying to figure out what it is that you need to work on, what requires your attention, what doesn't, right? But I think that's more financially there. You got third eye chakra coming in, your intuition telling you something. For some of you, I feel like if you're married to a person, especially, you feel like rebuilding with this person. Even though you fear it, you might just go for it. But you got 2 6s, so it is going to be something that's going to balance out. Alright. Don't have to be a marriage. It just feels like one. Okay. What's the solar plex here? That is like a sexual energy. Solar plex is also your creative side, and well, it's more sacral chakra than sexual. But this is like getting into action, doing things that you feel like needs to be done here. What's the solar plex? Let's see. 9 of Wands. Believing in yourself with this 9 of Wands here. Working on things. This might even be some type of creative spark or something that you might have been creating here. Yeah. Something that you're creating with this King of Wands and Knight of Cups here. Like I said, for some of you earlier, if it regards love, you feel like holding on to some type of connection. Could be with a water sign. Virgo is in the house. 2. What is this? But this is going within, figuring things out before you go into action on whatever this is, whatever this creative thing is. You got the 8 of Cups with the throat chakra. Let's just fly. Oh, with the throat chakra. Some of you are walking away. You feel like walking away with that 8 of Cups. Here. 8 of Wands. Maybe the relationship was too hard with that 9 of Wands. Maybe someone drained you a whole lot too as well. But this is you believing in yourself. Yeah. You're going for something that you wish for with this 9 of Cups. Here. Some of you are walking away for something better in order to get balance in your life with this justice card. What's this heart chakra? The justice. Yeah, you feel like this is the right thing to do here. Maybe this is a relationship that doesn't have a whole lot of sex, doesn't have a whole lot of emotions with that heart chakra. Y'all don't have the same type of communication as well. Like y'all just don't mesh well. What's this justice card? Yeah, it's heavy. And I feel like this is heavy on your heart too as well. But you just feel like it's the right thing. So some of you might end up packing up what you can and go. Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. This might be you, or this might be an earth sign that you just feel like it's too hard to deal with. Let's rebuild. Let's see. This is the Tower, I believe. I might be wrong. So something fell apart. Now you got to rebuild. Nine of Swords. Somebody is worried. Going back and forth with themselves about how someone broke their heart. That's how I'm saying that. Going back and forth with themselves. It's like one of those energies. So you hurt me and you did that. You did this. In order for you to come back to them and work on things with them. It's like a blaming game. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Two of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. They're not sure how things ended with you, too. This is going to be very shocking to whoever you're connected to, I feel. Yeah, Four of Cups. A missed opportunity. This person's going to be reflecting a whole lot, going back and forth with themselves a whole lot. I'm getting a whole lot of crying, a whole lot of thinking too as well. Look at this person in here. They going crazy. Look a little crazy though. Person's going crazy, scared like shit. Alright, what is this love card? I still feel like you might start to distance yourself too, so you can get some type of clarity of your mind with that Ten of Swords, Mercury energy. Yeah, initiation. You're initiating into a new relationship here, I feel like you just don't see something balancing. You just don't see nothing being harmonized here. So you're trying to balance out yourself, you know? With that Six of Coins. Let's see. For some of you, worried about something going in and you don't see what's to come next. Let's see. Five of Wands. Ooh. Okay, conflict. It's going to be a fight. It's going to be a fight. It's going to be a fight, bitch. The Fool. But you're going to get up out of there, I feel. Yeah, you keeping your boundaries up, cutting this person off. The Fool card is you. It's like, even though this bring conflict, I'm still going to leave with some shit. Not your whole day. You go. What is this darkest fear? Queen of Wands. Okay. So this is somebody fearing of you leaving. Yeah. Queen of Wands. I got a suit here. Let's see. I feel like you are protected here from the females. Yeah. You're going to have to end up doing things alone by yourself here. Whoever this is. This might be your counterpart or whoever leaving who. Yeah, you're going to have to boss up. The Emperor. Uh, Two of Swords. You're gonna be going back and forth with yourself. What it is to do next. Try not to overthink. Try to calm your mind too as well. If that doesn't work, then try focusing on something to get your attention off of all this, whoever this person is to you. Can two Aries date? Whoever this is, they might got Aries in their chart, Sagittarius or Leo with Earth placements. Let's see. Temperance. Yeah. Take your time. It's no need to rush. That's what that is. They want you to not fear. They want you to take your time. Work on what it is that you can work on at this time, at this moment. Yeah, because something is coming through with this Magician card for you, but it's going to require patience. What's this base chakra? Again, when this comes to a work situation, you find that your fruits aren't prospering and that you're blocked off. It requires time, honey. Things require time. It's like when you're cooking a cake, you know? You got to let the shit rise. Then you gotta let it cool up. Then you gotta let the shit cool before you put the icing and shit on it. It takes time. I believe that is something that some of you might be creating or working on here. What is this? Yeah. Hold on to things. This Four of Pentacles. Hold on to your spark. Hold on to your creativity. For others of you, I feel like you're going to be able to hold on to your foundation too as well. You got the devil right here. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn that's upset. This is someone who might be a little bit jealous. Where and who you put your intention into, or who you put your intentions into. They might also be mad that you don't give them money when they need it or something. Because look at this man. This man is holding on all them. Somebody might be mad you won't give them money. When it comes to a money situation, they want you to save as much as you can. The Six of Wands. The Strength card. I feel like you will be able to overcome a situation when it comes to your I feel like it's like getting a home or something like that for some of you. You will have a victory. Stay strong here within the situation. Try not to overspend on unnecessary things too as well. Yeah, save your money. What is this third chakra? This is the number 6. So I feel like you're going to know what to do. Yeah, Four of Swords. This is you reflecting, going up in the attic, figuring out things in the world too as well. With this World card. It's a new chapter. It's very beautiful. Tower. Somebody's gonna realize once you're gone, you're gone. Oh, somebody's gonna realize that you got a new home. This is someone who thought that you couldn't do it, but you showed ass that you could. Say happy, happy, happy. 10 of Cups. All right, let me see. Anything else I can see out of here? Somebody's leaving somebody. I see that. They wanted something else. So they want to move on. Somebody going crazy right here. Might be you going crazy. I don't know. Flip the roles here. I also feel like somebody's gonna come in and help you out. Somebody's gonna come in and help you out of this conflict. And it's gonna be very unexpected with that food card. Let's get that. Who's this? Knight of Coins. Could be somebody you was taking your time with this Knight of Coins. Knight of Coins move slow, but this might even be like some type of donation or something here. But somebody is, see how they coming into this elephant. They're gonna come in and help you out. I really do feel that. Oh, it might be, okay, there you go. Aquarius. I was like, who is it? It's the Aquarius coming in to help you out. Yeah, in order for you to move forward. Might be some type of friendship or something. Alright, that is what I had, Aries.